Today we will be discussing the eCatalog functionality on the LinMot.com website. Navigating your browser to LinMot.com, you will find the eCatalog link located at the top right banner located here. Here is the LinMot eCatalog main page. This is where you will find all of the LinMot products that are available for you. First, I will be going over the search functionality. The search functionality is located here in the right side of the web page. There are two ways to search. The first is using the product description, which you can type in located here. For example, I will use one of our PS01 37 by 120 motors. Typing in that information here and hitting enter, you'll notice that it filters out the products that are under that description. Selecting the PS01 37, you'll notice that we can come to the product page. Here, you'll find the technical data, the mechanical data, and accompanying documents for that, such as the data sheet, installation guides, any CAD drawings and step files, software, such as our LinMot Designer motor sizing software, which is used to select and size an application, as well as user manuals to help you with that, and also any accessories that go along with that, such as the sliders, which come in variable lengths, motor cables, other linear motor accessories, as well as mounting options as well. Now, the other method for using the search functionality is if you know the article number of the product of which you are trying to look at. For example, I will use the product for article number 0150-2346. Typing that in the search and hitting enter, you'll notice that the Ethernet IP C1250 drive is what comes up. Clicking on this will bring up the C1250 Ethernet IP Safe Torque Off Ethernet IP drive. Here you'll find again the technical specifications for the product, as well as the drives and what the motors that are actually going to go with that. The documents that go along with each one of those, such as the installation guide, the data sheets, the CAD drawings, and also the software. More specifically here, the LinMot Talk Drive configuration software, which you will need to configure the LinMot drive. Finally, any accessories that need to go along with this are also located here. Other main product categories are listed on the left-hand banners as you see here, such as our linear motors, stainless steel, ATEX rated motors, other linear motor accessories, linear rotary motors, the accessories that go along with them, our linear guides, the servo drives, linear motors with drives, servo drive accessories, motor cables, magnetic springs, documentation, and other marketing materials. Here, on the motor cable selection area, is a useful area that allows you, based off of which drive and motor that you have selected, you are able to assist you in finding that. For example, on the drive side, depending on what connector you are using or which drive you're using, you can filter out these cables. On the motor side, depending on which connector you are using, cable type, which type of cable, and finally, the size of that cable. If you have any questions on the product shown here or any questions on the eCatalog, please feel free to reach out to us at LinMot or your local representative. Thank you.